So here's WIDGIFY app, do-it-yourself live wallpaper, creative themes and widgets. So this is another cool widgets app, couple widget, OS 18 control screen, customization, live and static wallpaper, customized dreamy widgets, themes and icons, video when charging. WIDGIFY spices up your phone screen with an array of cutie widgets and thematic wallpapers tailored for iOS and teens, brings to the table cool new features like standby components and interactive widgets, injecting fun and personality into your phone. So quite interesting app. Let's just open it up. Oops, seems there is some kind of a bug. So yeah, it's not installed easily, but here it is. Here is the app, and you can allow it to track, and then here is the app, and yeah, you can try for free. There is a free trial, or there is a 3 days free trial, then $20 per quarter. Then there is some flash sale. So if you want to upgrade, just cancel it first time and then upgrade. And then here's different types of widgets, different animated lock widgets, wallpapers, panels, widgets, hot themes, widgets. Quite a nice collection for different categories for Valentine's Day, new couple. There are also couple widgets where you can just add your friend and put this widget and just have some couples data in there. Then there's also dynamic island, and this is the island you see in the top of your new iPhone. There's like lock screen. There is standby, which is when you're charging your phone. Panel, quick start, to-do calendar. So quite a lot of customization. And how it works, you just basically add in some widget to you just tap on it, and then you just save it, or just add in like to your widget. So here's wallpaper, or you just add in, tapping on it and then saving it. But some of the widgets here are premium, but you just tap save button, and then you to install it, just tap and hold. You will see widgets jiggling, and then you can just find this WIDGIFY, and then you will select any type of widget, tap add widget, and then long press widget, tap edit widget, and select a widget. So just tap it here, edit widget, and select widget which you saved before in the app. You can also make it in transparent mode, but that's the app here. So yeah, that's what it is.